interview by Harian Ceramic Indonesia.
Okay.
In journalistic.
I see.
Is that me? I'm Apa Aceh.
Apa Aceh.
Ini Apa? It is me. I'm that interview by a journalistic of Ceramic Indonesia.
Okay.
Saya sedang diinterview oleh wartawan Ceramic Indonesia. My name is in the my real name is Pak Darwis. But the internet name is
complete name. Complete name?
Pardon?
Complete name.
Complete.
No, complete name. What Darius? What Muhammad Darwis?
No. The complete. My name is Dr. Anders.
Dr. Anders.
Haji Darwis.
Okay.
SA Sarjana Ekonomi.
Oh, that's complete name, but this is not complete from your parents.
Yeah.
This is complete because you have study.
Yeah, my study.
What I mean is complete name when your parents give you the name.
Oh, yeah, okay. My parent, the name of my parent is Ibrahim.
So that means you are Muhammad Darus bin Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay. Same like him.
Marga.
Ibrahim.
His parent Ibrahim also.
Ibrahim.
Yes.
Oh, because your father is the same me.
Yeah.
My father is Ibrahim, and then your father is Ibrahim too.
Yeah, Ibrahim. Welcome.
Yeah. Now, when you go to City Coffee here, I want to know, how do you come here? By motorcycle maybe? By car? How do you come here for